So it cannot be a duet or a stitch video, giving a user the potential to earn 20 times the amount previously offered by the Creator Fund. Now here's the thing. So if you haven't already heard, I'm gonna tell you now, TikTok is shutting down its $2 billion fund. If you remember in 2020, when everything was hot, when all the news was spreading that TikTok is coming out with this $1 billion fund to pay all of the creators, I believe it was 2020. And I hopped on the bandwagon. Everybody and their mom was trying to create accounts because we wanted a piece of that pie. And what not better than to get paid for the content you're already creating? Now, of course, other social media platforms try to come up with their own creator fund or their own way of paying creators, but nothing was like TikTok. I made a video and got paid $100 and something, and it only had so many views and so many likes, but it was cool to get paid. And all I did was go in the kitchen and record something that I was doing in there, and it was random. So if you were thinking about joining the Creator Fund, you can scratch it. But hold on, because they're doing something a little bit different, and you may want to hang on for this. So TikTok announced that it's shutting down its $2 billion Creator Fund, its original $2 billion Creator Fund, and shifting the focus to its newer creativity program. Yeah, we want to know what that is. The Los Angeles-based company confirmed the news to Fox television stations Tuesday. The creativity program was developed based on the learnings and feedback we've gained from the previous Creator Fund. A spokesperson told TikTok said in a statement, "As we continue to develop new ways to reward creators and enrich the TikTok experience, we value the feedback and the direct insights from our community to help inform our decisions." So obviously they're about to change some things. Things are about to get a little bit different. Now, you've probably already experienced low views, 0 views. Maybe your views are capped out at 200, 300, but you used to go viral. You know, I'm not just speaking for me. I'm speaking for a lot of people. Creators who are currently enrolled in the Creator Fund can switch to the new creativity program. So you can switch, but check this out. According to the TikTok, the new program offers higher cash incentives with earnings based on qualified views, giving a user the potential to earn 20 times the amount previously offered by the Creator Fund. Now here's the thing. You may get 20 times of what the amount of what was offered in the previous one, but you have to get pushed to be on the For You page. Your videos have to get pushed. That's the tricky question that they're not mentioning. The Creator Fund will be discontinued in the United States starting December 16th. As of December 16th, if you're just now watching this, that's in a few weeks, the Creator Fund will no longer exist. And so is it going to be easy to switch over to this new creativity program? Let's check it out. How to make money on the TikTok creativity program. To be eligible for the creativity program, creators must be at least 18 years of age and have at least 10,000 followers and at least 100,000 views in the last 30 days. So that hasn't changed. That's still the same thing. Eligible videos must be high quality. All right. That right there is an issue because not everybody has the nicest iPhones. Not everybody has the awesome Samsung phones. You know, some people are just operating off of what they have, but their videos were going viral. So is it possibly saying if you continue to upload videos off of your okay phone, now you're not going to be accepted or be able to evenly switch to the creativity program? The Creator Fund was launched in 2020, so I was right about that, to support content creators through earnings that reward them for their passion and dedication that they put into inspiring, uplifting, and entertaining the TikTok community. They said the fund would reach hundreds of thousands of creators and grow to $1 billion in the US and more than double that globally. So here's the thing. So let's go ahead and go into our Creator Fund account to see what messages appear when you go there right now. We'll click on the top right, the 3 lines, Creator Center. I haven't uploaded a lot of viral videos lately because the focus has been elsewhere. But let's click on Creator Fund right there in the middle. Right there in the middle, it says starting 12/15, Some news outlets say 12/16 or 12/13, but it says Creator Fund will no longer be available. Switch to Creativity Program Beta to continue monetizing your content. Let's click on more. Switch to TikTok Creativity Program Beta to make more rewards possible. As TikTok continues to grow, we want to provide more support for creators who make videos 1 minute or longer. Now, on the news clip that I had showed, it said the videos couldn't be more than a minute for you to be getting rewards on that video. If you switch to the Creativity Program Beta, you can't revert to the Creator Fund. So let's see what happens. And I'll clarify that comment about 1 minute here in a second. Let's click next. Now here's the thing. I recently haven't had over 100,000 video views over the last 30 days, right? But if I make a viral video right now, I'm gonna get paid. I highly believe, and I don't mind doing this because it's gonna end in a few weeks anyway. I don't mind showing you what will happen if you haven't had a video that had over 100,000 views in the last 30 days. I don't mind clicking confirm to see if it's gonna say, sorry, you don't qualify. Just in case you're out there and you wanna know what's gonna happen when you do it. So let's see, once you can't revert, get rewards only when you post videos that are a minute or longer. And let's see, confirm. Oh, hey, congratulations. I thought for a fact it was gonna kick me out. And there's nothing like feeling like, okay, you haven't met the requirements in a while and now you have to start all over. Congratulations, you've been switched to Creativity Program Beta. So you got your acknowledgments, terms, what's next, verify, and your identity, set up your payments on the dashboard, create inspiring content. Now, this could be a good thing. You never know. This could be something to where it wants us to create new content, and maybe they will push videos that we're creating now with this new creativity program. So we'll hit View Dashboard. We're preparing your dashboard, so it's not ready yet. They are preparing the dashboard. Your creativity program dashboard is where you can view all of your rewards and activities. Your new dashboard will be available in 3 days after you register, which is today, so 3 days from now. While you wait, you can review previous activity, learn how rewards are calculated, create inspiring content. So if we go to see how rewards are calculated, that's going to be everybody's cup of tea. We all want to know, okay, how does this new program work? How are rewards estimated? Let's just click on that right away. Qualified views means the legitimate views of an eligible video. Several factors, including video engagement, are considered to determine the number of qualified views. Okay, so they're actually doing like YouTube now. RPM means the average gross revenue per 1,000 qualified views. That is straight up YouTube right there. YouTube, it's CPM. Here, it's RPM. The rewards of an eligible video will start accumulating as soon as the video reaches 1,000 views. You can view the estimated rewards, so that's cool. So once your video gets 1,000 views, you're starting to make money. I like that. I like that. Note, eligible videos posted the day you begin participating in the program will be counted towards your estimated rewards. Let's go back and see if there's anything that's standing out. What videos are eligible? So what videos? Let's see, they have to be a minute or longer. So I thought I saw something that said it couldn't be more than a minute, but I stand corrected. It's not a duet. So it cannot be a duet or a stitch video. You can go viral on stitching videos because the beginning or even when you duet, you know, those videos have already went viral, and so they're proven to go viral even if you're doing a duet or stitching. But those do not qualify. No, 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 not in my house. What is that, Mutombo? It's not a video of photo mode, and it is not an advertisement, paid promotion, or sponsored content. Videos that are ineligible for the For You feed. It can't be copied by someone else. It can't be their content. It can't be content that's reproduced with only slight modifications. Normally, some people will download a video and then they will upload the video and just put text on it, or they might upload it and crop it or resize it and maybe just do a quick voiceover, but it has to be modified and you have to make it your own. For example, adding speed ups, filters, or additional information like fixed text and stickers. So what does it say? It says content reproduced from others with only slight modifications. For examples, adding speed ups, filters, or additional information like fixed text and stickers. So you can't just do the basic stuff. You really have to have some type of engagement with this video. Content combines others' videos and pictures with no additional original creative contribution. So like I said, you have to add some type of creativity to it. Okay, looping videos. So your video can do a perfect loop, but it can't just be the same thing looping over and over and over. So if your video is only 10 seconds, you can't make it 10, 10, 10, 10, like 40 seconds, and it's just the same thing looping. So that will not be considered. Slideshows, can't do it. Text only. With images and text overlays, you can't do it. So hey, if you have any questions, let me know. I will try to make another video, but this is the new creativity program beta. So apparently they're testing it out. Did they say how much they're giving for this, like the old $2 billion TikTok fund? No, they didn't. They just said more ways for you to make money. They didn't disclose exactly what that is going to be, except for, it broke it down and said once you get past the $1,000, once you get past 1,000 views, that's when the video can start making money. And then it shows that RPM means the average gross revenue per 1,000 qualified views, but doesn't really tell you. I'm likely thinking they're probably really adopting the YouTube partner program, and it's probably going to be, advertisers, because they already have ads on TikTok, I'm sure advertisers are going to have something to do with this. Have you switched over already? Are you scared to hit that button just in case you might not have 100,000 video views in the last 30 days? Let me know. Is everything going smooth and perfect for you since you've been in the Creator Fund? I would love to know. I'm trying to get back on it. I've got so many things going on, with family, etc. I'm still here for questions and concerns. I'm always following the trends, algorithm, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. So if you have a question, let me know and I will make sure I get an answer for you. All right, guys, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, especially if you want news on TikTok and what's really going on and how to do certain things, tips, tricks, and tutorials. All right, until next time, I will see you on the next video.